This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pyon. A must-see. Beautiful 3-bed and 2-5-bath spacious townhouse-style condo located in convenient location near military bases, interstate, schools and shopping. HOA condo fees includes water, trash, EXD ground maintenance. Ready for new owners. Excellent starter home. Open floor plan with gas fireplace, jetted tub, new entry door, new energy-saving windows. Hardwood floors, ceramic tile, freshly painted. All brick, low maintenance. For more information, review the details below.